Hello brain boosters. Today quiz story. Happy Princess.
Once upon a time, in the kingdom of Jellyberry, there lived a princess named Pickle. Unlike other princesses who wore sparkly gowns and danced at royal balls, Princess Pickle loved adventures, jokes, and inventing silly gadgets. She wasn't afraid of dragons or dark forests. She was afraid of only one thing: being bored. One sunny morning, the royal jester ran into the castle, out of breath. "Your Highness, the Giggle beast has escaped. It's loose in the Snickerwood forest," gobbling up laughter and leaving the villagers grumpy and serious. Princess Pickle jumped up, grinning. Finally, a real adventure. She grabbed her bubblegum blaster, strapped on her roller skating boots, and rode her loyal pet goat, Nibbles, straight to the forest. But the Giggle beast was no ordinary monster. It had fluffy purple fur, ears like pancakes, and it laughed like 1,000 hiccuping penguins. Every time Princess Pickle got close, the Giggle beast would roll away on its belly, leaving trails of jelly and stolen giggles behind. "Come back here, you giggly rascal," she shouted, chasing it through tickle trees and past RCERS of root beer. Suddenly, the Giggle beast stopped. It looked sad. "I didn't mean to steal the laughter. I just wanted someone to play with me. Everyone ran away because of how funny I look." Princess Pickle paused. "You ray not scary. You ray awesome. And I love funny-looking things. Have you met Nibbles? He once wore a hat made of spaghetti." The Giggle beast's big round eyes lit up. So, Princess Pickle invited the Giggle beast to return with her to Jellyberry. Together, they threw the biggest, silliest festival the kingdom had ever seen, with jelly-bouncing races, bubble-blowing contests, and the world's largest spaghetti hat parade. The villagers laughed harder than ever, and the Giggle beast became the kingdom's official laughter keeper. Princess Pickle never feared boredom again because with the Giggle beast as her best friend, every day was a thrilling, funny adventure. And they all giggled happily ever after. What is the name of Princess of the Jellyberry? Pickle. What scared Princess? Being bored. Which monster escaped? Giggle beast. What Giggle beast want? Playing with everyone. Which post Princess gave to Giggle beast? Laughter keeper.
Subscribe for more fun, like, share, and comment.